So my family, when we were on vacation in Ocean City, New Jersey last week, we went to Cape May and this was out for cleanup. It's a Honda powered Karcher residential grade pressure washer. And it looks like it lived by the ocean. Tank's dry, doesn't smell bad. What are the chances of it not have frozen with everything connected to it? So I'm going to put a little gas in it, go the easy way, and see if this Honda starts. After living like that for lots of years. Who knows what. Alright, I'm going to have to shut this off because, well, maybe I could set the phone up somehow so this can be seen. I'm not going to pull it much. I'll give her 15-20 pulls at the most. See if she kicks off. I do not have a place to set this camera. There's my vent track and some of my other equipment. There's a Honda 5,000 watt generator that skipped time. Alright, let's set this up and hope I got some gas. There we go. You got to make sure it's topped off. You need all that head pressure to push the fuel through the hose here. Looks like it's on because it's in line. Now let me find a fuel cap. You can start them without fuel caps, but the exhaust explosion that ignites this gas here, if the fuel cap's open, the fire gets out of control pretty quick. I can handle that fire, but with the cap off, that changes the business. Now it's on. Let's give her a couple pulls. 2, 3, 4. If I would have choked it, it might have started the second or third pull. Let's see. Oh my, did you hear that? What are the chances? Started right now. Now I'm just speculating here, but if I would have choked that from the get-go, I think it would have kicked off before. So it won't run with the choke off. The carburetor might be a little dirty. Maybe just dry. But in a pinch, I'd be fine with that. I'm going to stop the video here and hook the hose up and try it again in a bit.